Hello and welcome to AOPEN's Tech Minute. Today we're going to have an unboxing and a feature set overview on AOPEN's new and exciting Chromebox Commercial 2. Toward the end of the video I'm going to be displaying the spec sheet, so get ready to hit pause. Let's get started. Okay, we'll start the unboxing. As you can see, it's a nice sturdy package. Right on top, of course, is the Chromebox Commercial 2. The serial number label is also on the outside packaging and, of course, on the unit itself. At the bottom of the box, we have the power supply and cables. And in this section, we have the accessory pack. So besides the power supply cable, we have the DC connector locking clip. So that actually locks the DC connector onto the device so it doesn't accidentally fall out, or when it gets pulled, get accidentally disconnected. Dual Wi-Fi antennas. We also have mounting brackets in the box, and of course these are the screws for the mounting bracket. And we also have two HDMI locking connectors. So these will mount to the back of the unit and keep the HDMI cables from accidentally coming loose. And next we'll show you these pieces connected. Okay, we have all the accessories attached to the unit. Let's start off with the brackets on the side of the unit. There are screws supplied in the box, and those screws also have blue Loctite, so that way you don't have to worry about the screws vibrating loose. You can see one on the right side, one on the left side. We also have our HDMI cable locks attached, and we also have our DC jack cable lock. And what that does is that prevents the cables from accidentally being pulled out after installation. So one less service call. We'll just go around the outside of the unit, talk about its features. Of course, a power button, a combination audio and microphone jack. We have two USB 3.1 Gen 1s. And on this side of the unit, we have a Kensington lock slot for locking the unit down. And on the back of the unit, of course, we have Wi-Fi connector. A Wi-Fi antenna connector, I should say. We also have a DC jack. We have a gigabit Ethernet, two USB 2.0s, one additional USB 3.1 Gen 1. We also have two HDMI connectors. HDMI 1 is HDMI version 2.0. HDMI 2 is HDMI version 1.4a. We also have a serial port on the back, and this is an RJ50 connector, but we do have an adapter that'll break this out to a standard DB9, so you can control a commercial grade display, and of course the secondary antenna for Wi-Fi. This particular device is the Celeron version. It is solid state, fanless device. And some of the major features in this case, this has a Kaby Lake CPU. It's a Celeron 3865U. Has 4 gigabytes of DDR4L memory, 32 gigabytes of SSD, and as I mentioned, dual band Wi-Fi 802.11ac, Bluetooth 4.2, and it also has an extended power switch right here, which is a unique feature. If this device happens to be buried within a kiosk housing, for instance, and you want to break out the power button, you can attach a momentary switch to that connector and easily be able to power the unit on or off if you so desire. Thank you for watching. For more information about AOPEN's Chromebox Commercial 2 or other AOPEN products, please go to www.aopen.com. Have a great day.